In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your x.com or Twitter account name in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if you want to update your display name, rebrand your profile, or simply make your account look more professional. The good news is that this takes less than a minute, and you can do it right from your profile page. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X and go to your profile. You can do this by tapping or clicking your profile icon, then selecting your profile page from the menu. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. This is where you can change your profile details, including your display name, bio, website, and other settings. Go ahead and click or tap Edit Profile. After that, you'll see a list of editable fields. Find the name field and tap on it. This is the name that appears on your profile and in posts, and it can be changed whenever you want. Now type in your new name. Keep in mind that X allows up to 50 characters for the name field, so make sure your new name fits within that limit. You can use your real name, brand name, or any name that best represents your account. Once you've typed in the new name, take a quick second to review it and make sure everything looks correct. This is especially important if you're changing it for branding or a business account, because your display name is one of the first things people notice. When you're happy with the new name, click or tap Save to apply the change. That's it, your x.com or Twitter account name is now updated. You should see the new name appear on your profile right away. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or close and reopen the app. Before you go, remember that changing your name is different from changing your username. Your display name is the one shown publicly on your profile, while your username is the @handle people use to tag you. If you want, you can update those separately too. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.